Hello, my name is Dr. Jewel Kling. I'm a course co-director for Transforming Women's Health, a Mayo Clinic annual women's health continuing medical education course. And I hope you'll join me and my course co-directors this year in Chicago at the Westin Chicago River North, June 8th through 10th, 2023. On our first day of programming, we have an excellent group of faculty coming to talk to you about important endocrinology topics, as well as breast and transgender health topics. You'll hear about polycystic ovarian syndrome, osteoporosis, diabetes, management of women at high risk for breast cancer, management of the genitourinary syndrome of menopause and cancer survivors, as well as healthcare maintenance in transgender people. After our course concludes that initial day, you have the optional course registration for the North American Menopause Society, who will be doing Menopause 101. That will be led by well-known experts in menopause, giving you tools to help navigate women through menopause. We hope we'll see you in Chicago, June 8th through 10th at the Westin Chicago River North for Transforming Women's Health. See you there.